the West, land of open plains, rugged mountains and endless skies, a place where men and women lived and died by their own code. The American West on 1960s TV, when Westerns ruled the airwaves. From Dodge City to the Ponderosa Ranch, these shows were a window into a bygone era. Saddle up for a trip back to the golden age of TV Westerns. Welcome to Emgotv1, where history meets entertainment. First up, we ride with the Cartwrights. Bonanza, set on the Ponderosa Ranch near Lake Tahoe, wasn't just about shootouts and cattle drives. Ben Cartwright and his sons, Adam, Hoss and Little Joe, faced threats to their land, always with family at their core. Bonanza gave us action, but it also gave us heart. The Cartwrights reminded us that in the untamed West, family was the strongest force. Next, we mosey on over to Dodge City, Kansas, a town where the wind kicked up dust and trouble in equal measure. Standing tall amidst the chaos was Marshal Matt Dillon, the stoic lawman of Gunsmoke. Week after week, Dillon faced down outlaws, gunslingers, and cattle barons with a quiet strength and unwavering commitment to justice. Gunsmoke wasn't afraid to show the harsh realities of frontier life. From the dusty streets of Dodge City, we head to the open range of Wyoming and the Shiloh Ranch, home to the Virginian. The Virginian, a ranch foreman whose real name remained a mystery, was a man of few words but unwavering principles. The Virginian was more than just a Western. It was a saga about loyalty, ambition, and the enduring spirit of the West. Now, let's talk about a show that gave a young Clint Eastwood his start, Rawhide. This was a gritty, realistic look at the life of cattle drovers pushing herds across the vast expanse of the West. Rawhide wasn't afraid to show the sweat, the dirt, and the danger of life on the move. Now for something a little different. Have Gun Will Travel introduced us to Paladin, a gunfighter for hire, comfortable in a tuxedo and a gun belt. Paladin was cultured and educated, a chess player and scholar, deadly with a Colt .45. Have Gun Will Travel showed you didn't have to be a rough cowboy to make your mark in the West. Sometimes the most powerful stories are the simplest ones. The Rifleman followed the story of Lucas McCain, a widowed rancher raising his son Mark in the New Mexico territory. The Rifleman was a show about family, about second chances, and about the importance of standing up for what's right. Wagon Train took us on a journey westward, following a group of pioneers as they braved the perils of the Oregon Trail. This show was a testament to the human spirit, to the courage and resilience of those who risked everything for a chance at a new life. Wagon Train was a reminder that the West wasn't just a place, it was a journey, a test of character, and a story that continues to inspire generations later. The story of Daniel Boone is etched into the fabric of American history, and the TV show Daniel Boone brought this legendary frontiersman to life. We followed Boone's adventures as he explored the Kentucky wilderness, blazed trails, and fought for peace with Native American tribes. Daniel Boone was a show about adventure, about exploration, and about the complex relationship between settlers and Native Americans. The Big Valley gave us the Barclays, a wealthy ranching family in 19th century California. Led by the widowed matriarch Victoria Barclay, this family faced down land grabbers, outlaws, and the challenges of running a vast ranch. The Big Valley was a show about family, about resilience, and about the power of standing together in the face of adversity. Finally, we come to the Wild Wild West, a show that was ahead of its time. Set in the years following the Civil War, this show followed the adventures of two Secret Service agents, James West and Artemus Gordon, as they used their wits, their fists, and an array of gadgets to protect the United States from all sorts of threats. The Wild Wild West was a thrilling blend of Western action, spy intrigue, and steampunk aesthetics. We've journeyed through the heart of television's golden age of Westerns, revisited iconic characters who embodied the spirit of the West. These shows were about family, honor, justice, and the enduring allure of the American West. They set the standard for storytelling, action, and character development in TV. Which of these shows is your favorite? Don't forget to subscribe to Emgotv1 for more cinematic and TV history. See you next time.